How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First, you need to head over to search, and from here you need to search for view network connections. Now that you're here, you need to go ahead and right click on your Wi-Fi, and then you need to go to the properties. Once you are here, you need to go ahead and find for Internet Protocol version 4, and then you need to click on properties again. From here you can see that the option has been set to obtain DNS server address automatically. You need to go ahead and change it to use the following DNS server address. Now in the preferred DNS server you need to go ahead and add 8888, and in the alternate DNS server you need to go ahead and add 8844. Once you do that, you need to go ahead and click on OK, and this might hopefully help you resolve the issue. Now you need to go to search option again, and from here you need to go to device manager. Once you're in the device manager, you need to go ahead and look for network adapters, and from here you need to go ahead and find your network adapter. Once you find your network adapter, you need to right click on it, and from here you'll see an option that says update driver. From here you need to go ahead and click on search automatically for drivers, and this might help you resolve the issue. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.